Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about some chemicals, that is acid, base and salt. There are many chemicals around us present which are either acidic in nature, basic or neutral. There are many substances such as some citrus fruits, which are sour in taste. Citrus fruits are sour in taste. These are acidic substances which are sour in taste. Now, some substances, that is baking soda, lime, these are bitter in taste. So these are the bases. When these substances react to each other, then water and a compound is formed which is known as the salt. Okay, now first we will discuss about acid and their classification. Acid. Acid is a Latin word. Acid is derived from a Latin word acidus. That means sour. Acid is derived from a Latin word acidus, that means sour in taste. Okay. For example, lemons, orange, tomatoes, etc. These are sour in taste. So these substances are acidic in nature. Some other examples are H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, these are acids. Now, an acid is a compound. An acid is a compound that contain one or more replaceable hydronium ion. Okay, what is an acid? An acid is a compound that contain one or more replaceable hydronium ion. Replaceable means we replace it by another element. For example, when zinc react with sulfuric acid, then zinc sulfate plus H2 is formed. H2 is a gas which is evolved and zinc sulfate is a salt which is formed. Okay. Similarly, Other examples are HNO3 nitric acid. It contains one hydrogen atom. Sulfuric acid contains two hydrogen atom. Hydrochloric acid also contains one hydrogen atom. These hydrogen atoms are replaceable hydronium ions. Okay, after that, classification of acids. After that, classification of acids. First, acids are classified on the basis of occurrence. Acids are classified on the basis of occurrence. That is, there are two types. First one is mineral acid. Second one is organic acid. First one is mineral acid, second one is organic acid. Mineral acids are those acids which we obtain from minerals of our earth's crust. Mineral acids are those which we obtain from our earth crust mineral. For example, HCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. These are mineral acids. After that, second is organic acids, acids which are found in plants and animals. Acids which are found in plant and animals. For example, citric acid, tartaric acid, etc. These are organic acid. This is the classification of acid on the basis of occurrence. After that, second is on the basis of strength. On the basis of strength. We classify acid in this base: strong acids and weak acids. First one is strong acids and second one is weak acids. Now, what are strong acids? Strong acids are those which dissociate into its ions completely on ionization. Acids which ionize completely when dissolved in water are the strong acids. For example, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. These are the strong acids which give their ions complete on ionization. Second is weak acids which do not ionize completely. Do not ionize completely in their aqueous solution. For example, carbonic acid, carbonic acid, lactic acid, formic acid, HCOOH, that is formic acid. They do not give their ions on ionization. On this basis, we here see that strong acids are the mineral acids. What are strong acids? Strong acids are the mineral acids, and weak acids are the organic acids. All the weak acids which we do not ionize completely are the organic acids. Okay? Such as HCl, which is a strong acid, on ionization it forms H positive and Cl negative. These are the ions. After that, H2CO3, carbonic acid, here H positive and CO3 di-negative. But carbonic acid do not dissociate into its ions completely. So, carbonic acid is a weak acid and HCl, hydrochloric acid, is a strong acid. Okay? After that, we classify acid on the basis of concentration. On the basis of concentration. First one is concentrated acid. First is concentrated and second is dilute acid. First is concentrated and second is dilute acid. The acid containing very less amount. The acid containing very less amount of water is called concentrated acid. Acid containing very less amount of water is called concentrated acid. For example, HCl is prepared by dissolving HCl in water. Dilute acid is that acid which contain excess amount of water. Excess amount of water. These are the two types of acids. Now, dilution of acids. Dilution of acids. Dilution means we dilute the concentrated acid by adding more amount of water into it. Okay, dilution means we add more amount of water in concentrated acids. Always add acid to water, not water to acid. This is the wrong method of dilution. We should always add acid to water, because when we add acid to water, then there is no sparking or no breakage of glass take place. But when we add water to acid, then there is a critical situation occur at that time, even also burn our clothes, etc. When we add acid to water, then continuously stirring also take place. Continuously stirring. Okay, this is the dilution of acids. After that, on the basis of acidity, Sorry, on the basis of basicity. In acids, we deal with the basicity. First is monobasic. Second is dibasic. Third is tribasic. Fourth is tetrabasic. Monobasic, dibasic, tribasic, tetrabasic. When one molecule of acid give one hydronium ion on ionization. Give one hydronium ion on ionization. For example, HCl, HNO3. These molecules give one hydronium ion on ionization. Similarly, dibasic acids are those acids which give two molecule of hydronium ion. For example, H2SO4, H2SO3, sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid. Similarly, tribasic acids, when one molecule of acid give 3 hydronium ions, such as H3PO4, phosphoric acid, H3PO4. And tetrabasic acids, when one molecule of acid give 4 hydronium ions, such as silicic acid, H4SiO4, silicic acid. Okay. After that, some important use of acids. Some important use of acids. First one is use of acids. First is carbonic acid. Is present in soft drinks. Main uses: carbonic acid is present in soft drinks. Nitric acid used as a fertilizer. Used as a fertilizer. After that, hydrochloric acid is used as a purification of common salt. Purification of a common salt. After that, formic acid. Formic acid is found in stings of ant. Formic acid is found in stings of ant and bees. Ant and bees. After that, lactic acid. Lactic acid is used in conversion of milk into curd. Milk into curd. After that, sulfuric acid is used in car batteries. Sulfuric acid is used in car batteries. And acetic acid, which is found in vinegar. Acetic acid, which is found in vinegar. Vinegar means sirka, which we use in achar, pickles, etc. These are the some basic use of the acids. Okay, students. Now, physical properties of acid. On this basis, what are the physical properties of acids? Physical properties of acids. First one is acids are sure in taste. Okay, first one is acids are sure in taste. Acids normally exist either in solid, liquid or gaseous form. Okay, solid, liquid or in solution form. Gaseous means solution form. And after that, third one is acids turn blue litmus into red. Acids in their aqueous solution they turn blue litmus into red. After that, mineral acids are highly corrosive in nature. Highly corrosive in nature. These are the some basic properties of acids. Okay students, thank you.